How to create a cartoon animation video with Canva. We start by pressing the video area, which creates a blank template where the video can be created. For an animated video, you always start with a background search. Go through elements and find what you want. We start with a kitchen, for example. Graphics, and go to the kitchen background you would like. If you don't see a good one, you can specifically search for background, for example this one. Once you are happy with the background, you can start looking for an animated person for this video. For example, a man drinking coffee. As you can see, you do not immediately see animated images. You can solve this by going to Settings and choosing Animated under Animation. Now you can already see that the pictures are moving. Here you see a man drinking coffee. This can be placed perfectly for the first shot. Now the first frame is finished. For the next frame, we click on the plus sign, Add Page, and start looking for a new background. We choose as a second background for a park. We make this fit into the And now that the skater is standing, we want to actually make the skater move forward in the animation. We do this by duplicating the page and moving the skater to the place we want in the second page. Over here, you go to Add Transition. Choose for Match and Move. And now we actually see the animation move. To make it flow smoothly, we make the frames smaller. Like this. Now we are going to add one more frame. We do this again by pressing Add Page. As a background, we choose a living room. Now we would like to have someone on the bench. So I'm going to look for someone that's sitting. Now here we see a woman reading a book. We make the image a little larger so that it looks a bit more real. And to add an animation, we look for an animated dog. It is not directly animated, so we go to Settings and then choose for Animated. Then we make it a lot smaller so that it fits in the video again. Now we have added the 3 frames we want, and finally we can create transitions between the different slides. You stand between 2 slides and press Add Transition. And here you see the possibilities available. We choose the slide here and the flow on the other page. You can still adjust the duration and the direction of the flow. Now our video is actually done and ready to export. We go to Share at the top right. Click on Download. It's on MP4. That's the right file type we need. We want all pages. And you see it is being downloaded. Now let's look at the end result. If you want all animated images, backgrounds, and options in Canva, Canva Pro is a move. You can now try this for 30 days for free via our link in the description. If you found the video useful and would like more Canva videos, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.